If you haven't upgraded the mirrors on your four-wheel drive, you probably think your vision's okay and you can see enough. Well, it's not until you fit aftermarket mirrors can you really see what you're missing out on. So what I've done is I've set up a series of traffic cones. Each one of these traffic cones cannot be seen by the driver in the driver's seat. So this one here sort of simulates a blind spot. Imagine a car doing $1.10 down the road. You're not going to see it. The same goes with this traffic cone here, you simply can't see it. There's another one behind the boat. Now, imagine that's an obstacle you're trying to reverse. Heaven forbids, it could be your dog or even your child. You simply can't see it from the driver's seat. Now I'm going to show you the massive difference installing a set of Clearviews will make to this vehicle. And best of all, I can install it right here in the car park. I've got to say, that's absolutely remarkable. The fact that I can see just about everything. I can see obviously my blind spots, I can see the traffic cone behind the boat, and really importantly, I can see the whole side down of what I'm towing. So if I was towing a camper trailer, a boat or a big caravan, the fact that I've got that much vision makes it a lot easier to tow, not to mention a heck of a lot safer. Well, it's just amazing just how much more vision you get out of a set of Clearviews compared to standard mirrors. I mean, look, if they only save your bacon just once, it'll still be the best investment you ever make for your four-wheel drive. If you want to learn more about the Clearview Towing Mirrors, head to clearviewaccessories.com.au.